Today I'm making a sweet and salty ice cream treat. First I'm going to make the vanilla ice cream, so in a bowl I have 1 cup of heavy cream. Next add 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract, then mix that up until stiff peaks form. Next add half a can of sweetened condensed milk and fold that in. Then cover up the ice cream and put this in the freezer for 6 to 8 hours. Next I'm going to make the cup that the ice cream is going to sit on, so in a pot I have 3 tablespoons of butter. Next add 3 cups of marshmallows and cook this on medium heat until everything is melted. Once everything is melted, I'm going to add 4 cups of crushed up potato chips and mix that up until the potato chips are coated in the marshmallow mixture. Next I have a greased muffin pan. I'm going to add a scoop of the potato chip mixture into each muffin and press it down and let it set up for 1 hour. Once the potato chip treat was set up, I added it to a plate. Next I'm going to add a scoop of the vanilla ice cream that I made earlier. Lastly, I'm going to drizzle some magic shell and add some rainbow sprinkles on top. Here's an up close look of the sweet and salty ice cream treat.